versions of the F-35 Lightning II, the Air Force A version, the B version for the Marine Corps, and the C version for the Navy. But this aircraft is 70% F-16. Yes, indeed. They took the best of the F-16 and used it. But it is important in this day of trainers because it is designed to replace the aging T-38 talent that's been around since 1959.
Oh my God.
And with over
Holy
15,000
shit.
hours per airframe, they're just plain wearing out. And it's costing too much to
Oh my
get
God.
the airplanes maintained. And so the Air Force is looking for
Hell yeah.
Yeah, I got goosebumps now.
And gosh, a whole lot of different companies that were involved in that. Beechcraft, Grumman, Lockheed, Martin, Northrop, Rockwell, and Watt. And now the folks at Lockheed Martin are ready to go with an airframe that is proven with over 150,000 hours on it. They've already trained 2,000 pilots to fly in it. But because we are in this fifth generation of very, very advanced fighters, it's not just